and welcome to Print Equipment. I'm Jenny and today we want to show you how to sublimate on these great pillowcases. For this you're going to need an empty pillowcase cover, a graphic, this one was printed with our very own Sublimating Sublistar, and of course protective paper. Why you're going to need this, I'm going to tell you in a second. First I want to go ahead and grab a little piece of my protective paper and insert it into my pillowcase. This is so that later when it comes to pressing, my color will not be sublimating back onto the rear side of my pillow. And it is certainly something we recommend you do, but you certainly don't have to do it. So let's go ahead and head over to my press. I'm gonna go ahead and place some protective paper on the bottom. Now this is where the silicone foam mat comes into the game. This is one way how you can print your pillowcase. Place your 10mm silicone foam mat on or in the center of your press. And now place your pillowcase on top of your silicone mat, making sure that the zipper is hanging slightly over the edge of your silicone foam mat so it won't be damaged later when it comes to pressing. However, today we are going to use the slightly faster version by just placing it on the bottom side of my press with the zipper again slightly hanging over the edge so it won't get damaged. Now don't forget to make sure you're using your lint roller to remove any lint or anything else still stuck to your pillow so it won't cause any discoloration later on in your picture. All right, and it's nice and flat. I need a protective sheet. And I'm going to pre-press my pillowcase for about 30 seconds to ensure that any excess moisture will be removed and it'll be nice and flat. All right, now pre-pressing time is almost over. There we go. I'm gonna swing away my press, remove my protective paper, and my pillowcase is nice and flat and ready for my graphic. All right. Now, for the graphic, there are also 3 options how you can process your pillow. The first one is you could simply use the entire picture. Now in this case, we're not gonna do a full face printout, so we could simply just grab the entire paper, and because it does have contour lines, I can easily center it and fix it then with a little bit of heat-resistant tape. If you don't have these contour lines, we offer those online on our homepage. You're more than welcome to download those for free, depending on the program, the graphic program you're using, their little icons, and center your product just so much easier and quicker. Now, the second way how you could process your graphic is you could simply just cut it out. However, we don't recommend cutting it out because it could potentially cause some lines being pressed into your pillow that you could see later on. So here's what we are going to do. We are going to tear it. And this doesn't have to be perfect. And now I can easily center it on my pillowcase and fix it with a little bit of heat-resistant tape. And that way, later on, I won't have any lines that will be visible in my pillowcase cover. All right, here we go. Gonna go ahead and place it with my paper laying on top, with the zipper again hanging over the edge, covering with another protective sheet. And I'm going to complete my press with 190 degrees for 90 seconds and medium pressure. And our pressing time is almost over, so let's go ahead and get ready how it looks like. Go. Move my protective sheet and remove my graphic right away so no shadow is sublimating back onto my pillowcase cover. Fantastic, it looks great. Now the last step is simply going to be the inserting of my filling. And it's gonna look really good. There we go. My zipper is still intact and it looks fantastic. Now, if you do have any questions or are looking for additional products, greater, smaller, larger sizes, feel free to visit us at printequipment.de. And with this, we do wish you happy printing.